Bonjour.
Hello! Здравейте!
Добър ден.
Welcome back to Monoglossia's Bulgarian series. Today we'll be doing Unit 5 of our textbook, Стъпка по стъпка. So let us quickly remind you that last time we talked about some numbers, the numbers up to 100, and then there was 100 and something, 150, 151, which numbers should be very useful if you're buying something in Bulgaria. So, of course, we enriched your vocabulary with some more food and drink items, with some important verbs like yam and pia, I eat and I drink. Also, the verbs based on breakfast, lunch and dinner, закусвам, обядвам, вечерям. And also we did the plural of some nouns. For example, кюфте,
Кюфтове.
кюфтета, картоф,
Картофи.
браво, салата,
Салати.
добре, браво. Какво е това?
Сладолед. Кюфте. Омлет. Десерти. Бира. Вино. Риба. Шишче. Пържени картофи.
Да, браво. Ти закусваш ли шишчета?
Не ям месо
На закуска?
на закуска.
Французите ядат десерти, сладки неща, sweet things, за закуска. Хляб с сладко, хляб с масло и сладко. Какво обядваш в работата?
Салати.
Хубаво.
Кисело мляко.
Ага.
Десерти.
Добре, много здравословно, very healthy. Обичаш ли чай с личи?
Не много.
Добре. Пиеш ли кафе с кисело мляко?
Пием кафе с сметана.
Can you note what I asked you? С кисело мляко, with yogurt.
Yeah, I got that. Like with yogurt. Like I guess I should have said приясно мляко. Yeah.
Французите вечерят ли десерти?
Не всеки ден.
Not every day. What I really like is how in restaurants, when you don't order dessert, you just order a coffee or a decaf. Колко струва един хляб в България?
Франзела или
Нормален
нормален хляб.
Обикновен хляб. Obviously it depends where you buy it and all.
Yeah. It really varies. Like
1 лев, лев и 50, до 2 лева, up to 2 лева.
yeah.
Is what I would say. Are you ready to be bothered with a test on numbers?
Certainly. Let's go for it.
Let's go. Faith.
17.
17, правилно. Correct. It's practically 17 or 17. I would never personally write 17, so I advise you to write 17. No, not 17, but 17.
9. Okay.
Not nai, but nai.
So 40 is 4. 40.
40 or 40. Did they just give you a small selection of letters?
Yeah. 4.
40. Okay, I would personally write 40, but okay.
Okay, I'll go for that.
40. It's too late to go for that now.
Okay. 40.
40.
Pet.
50, okay. Exactly written like pet desert.
3 set.
30
3 set.
or 30.
90 would be this 19.
That's 19.
9.
90.
Yeah, that's it. 90.
No, go tell me that's not an easy spelling, literally writing 9, 10.
Yeah.
What would be the French counterpart?
Oh,
90.
easy, yeah. It feels more natural to me. 90, which is like 8, 4, 20, 10.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Makes perfect sense.
it's easier. It's just nice said, so that's B. 13 would be 3 nice set, so C. 14.
However, you didn't. 13 is a D.
Oops, sorry. I got the letter wrong. So 14 would be 4 set.
No, you got the teens.
Is awesome nice set. And that's bad nice set. So C. 80. Awesome the set.
Да.
12. 12.
Да.
60. 6. 70. 70. 20 equals 20. True. 19. 19. True.
Yep.
11. 20. That's not true.
How do you say 11?
19. 100. 17. No, 100 is stop.
Don't type true. It's false.
Oop.
Check answers.
Oop.
What did we get wrong?
I'm curious.
Same.
Oop.
No, that's not wrong. Both are okay.
Both are okay.
Yeah,
And that one too.
40. You can definitely say 40 as well.
Okay.
So don't worry about that.
I won't. No worries.
Okay.
You can be sure about that.
You won't lose sleep.
No.
Okay, enough about the old lesson. The new one is going to be yet about more food, but the focus will be more on buying groceries rather than ordering things at the restaurant. Also some countable and uncountable nouns. What, as in what kind of something, какъв, каква, какво, какви. And then some measurements with kilograms and liters. Let's jump onto it. What is the title?
Обичате ли плодове?
And you can tell that it means
Like, do you love fruits?
and do you like fruits? But yeah, обичам, to like, to love. Okay, let us see some fruit. Плодове. This time you have the singular and the plural given, unless it's an uncountable. Ябълка, ябълки. Круша, круши. Ягода, ягоди. Череша, череши. Малина, малини. Праскова, праскови. Кайсия, кайсии. Слива, сливи. Диня, дини. Пъпеш, пъпеши. Лимон, лимони. Портокал, портокали. Мандарина, мандарини. Банан, банани. Грозде. Here is our only uncountable now. Грозде. Yeah, grape.
Grape.
Alright, let's test you. Label the fruits on the fruit stall.
Just grab my trusty pencil.
Благодаря.
Моля.
Банани, грозде, круши, сливи, малини, лимони, мандарини, портокали, ябълки. Има зелени ябълки, има червени ябълки, ягоди, череши, кайсии, праскови, пъпеши, дини. Да. Very much recommended, by the way, during the summer. The melons and watermelons there.
Yeah.
Very sweet. Zelenchuci, vegetables. Maybe you can feel the root zelen, green. Домат, домати. Краставица, краставици. Чушка, чушки. Тиквичка, тиквички. Картоф, картофи. Морков, моркови. Гъба, гъби. Маруля, марули. Грах, зелен боб, зеле, броколи, спанак, лук, чесън. Let's cook.
Your favorite.
First of all, I invite you to make some shopska salata. Actually, we can do that just orally.
Sure. Шопска салата. Домати.
Да,
Лук.
да,
Краставици.
да. И
И чушки.
салата.
Добре. Марула.
Това не е марула. Това е зеле.
Зеле. Добре. Зеле. Моркови.
Да, това е салата с зеле и моркови. It's a popular salad. It can be with mayonnaise, like coleslaw, or it can be just, you know, a more dietetic version, just cabbage and carrots. Gyuveç,
Кювеч.
which is a dish with baked vegetables all mixed together.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Yep.
Картофи. Чесън.
Да,
Лук.
да,
Грах.
да.
И тиквички.
Да.
Да.
Супер. И зеленчукова супа.
Гъби.
Да.
Зелен боб. Или...
You know what I think? I think it's the other way around.
Yeah, гювеч.
In the gyvetch. Of course I can put peas in it, but really an important ingredient would normally be zelen bob. So we also say zelen fasol, green beans. Well, I would say this is peas.
Yeah.
Grach.
Grach. And...
Broccoli, very different from, from the English word broccoli.
Oh, so that was broccoli. Alright.
Okay. Now let's talk about grammar, countables and uncountables. Има много грозде. Grozde, we mentioned, was the only fruit we had, at least here in the textbook, that is uncountable. And here's some other nouns, vegetables in this case, that are uncountable. Grach, grozde, zele, zelen bob, spanak, łuk, česan, broccoli. These words have only one form, as in they do not make a plural. Има грах, има много грах. It's all the same. Обичате ли ябълки?
Да, обичам. Не обичам.
Обичате ли грозде?
Да, обичам. Не обичам.
Обичате ли спанак?
Да, обичам.
Обичате ли картофи?
Да, обичам.
Обичате ли зелен боб?
Да, обичам.
Обичате ли домати?
Да, обичам.
Обичате ли грозде?
Да, обичам.
Обичате ли ягоди?
Да, обичам.
Аз обичам ли лук?
Не обичаш. Не обичаш.
Аз обичам ли чесън?
Не обичаш.
Стефан обича ли броколи?
Не обича.
Да, you get the hang of it. And some more food vocabulary. Things you would buy in a grocery store. Riba. Riba. Pile. Pile. Пилешко месо. Пилешко месо. Телешко месо. Телешко месо. Свинско месо. Свинско месо. Агнешко месо. Агнешко месо. Шунка. Шунка. Боб. Боб. Леща. Леща. Ориз. Ориз. Брашно. Брашно. Ядки. Ядки. Бисквити. Бисквити. Бонбони. Бонбони. Маслини. Маслини. Сол. Сол. Олио. Олио. Оцет. Оцет. You know all of these, maybe?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, yes, you've gone shopping in Bulgaria, so it makes sense. Okay, let's read the example and fill them in.
Certainly. Аз ям сандвич с шунка.
There is no sauce though.
С шунка.
Аз ям сандвич с шунка. Той вечеря салата и риба. Ние обядваме свинско месо с картофи. Те закусват хляб и маслини. Не ям агнешко и пилешко месо. Тя иска пиле с ориз. Той обича телешко месо. Обичате ли бомбони и бисквити? Excellent, чудесно. Some more grammar. Let us talk about what type of. We would just put before the noun the question word какъв, каква, какво, какви. Какъв чай обичате? Зелен чай. Каква супа обичате? Пилешка супа. Какво месо обичате? Телешко месо. Какви плодове обичате? Череши и ябълки. So you can tell obviously that the word accords with the gender. Какъв чай, masculine. Каква супа, feminine. Какво месо, neuter. Какви плодове, plural. Alright, let's ask and answer some questions. Какво кафе пиете?
Аз пия кафе с мляко.
Добре. Какъв чай обичате?
Обичам чай с мед.
Добре. Какъв сок пиете?
Аз пия сок от ябълка.
Добре. Каква салата искате?
Искам салата с олио.
Добре. With oil. Каква супа обичате?
Пилешка супа. Обичам пилешка супа.
Какви плодове не обичате?
Обичам
всякакви плодове. Добре. Какви зеленчуци не ядете? Зеле? You don't really like cabbage, do you?
I'm not a fan, but
Okay.
I do eat some. I do eat it, like...
Okay. Ask me the same questions if you want.
Sure. Какъв чай обичате?
Обичам чай без захар и без мляко.
Какъв сок пиете?
Пия fresh Bulgarian fresh juice. It's so tasty. They just squeeze it right in front of you.
Yeah. Каква салата искате?
Искам салата с зеле и моркови и майонеза.
Каква супа обичате?
Обичам зеленчукова супа, обичам картофена крем супа, гъбена супа.
Какви плодове не обичате?
Не обичам грейпфрут.
Fair. Какви зеленчуци не ядете?
Не ям лук и чесън. Okay, now I'll tell you something that I think is going to be new for you. Did you know that we have a different type of plural form, which is the form we use to count? For example, we say banan, banani, един банан, много банани. But if you order bananas, you're going to say два банана, моля. Here's an example. Искам два сандвича и два чая. Не сандвичи, не чайове. Два сандвича и два чая. Let us see all this summarized in a table along with the different genders. Един банан, два банана. Една круша, две круши. Едно кафе, две кафета. Едно масло, две масла. So, един, два for masculine, една, две for feminine, едно, две for neuter. And the way the noun changes is, for the masculine, you add an a, един банан, два banana. For the feminine, you change the a into e, which doesn't differ from the regular plural form. Една круша, две круши, but also много круши. And for the neuter, also, it makes no difference. It's only with the masculine forms that we have this particular form that is different from the plural. We add either ta or a. Кафе, кафета, масло, масла. Два банана, много банани. Два сока, много сокове. You can see the difference between the counting form, when you say the exact number, and the plural form, when you just say a lot of, много. Okay, tell me the correct form. Два хляба, then два or две?
Две гъби.
Да.
Две ябълки. Два портокала. Две дини. Два лимона. Две марули. Два моркова. Два домата. Две праскови. Два млека.
Две млека. Едно мляко. Две млека.
Две млека. Две каси.
Кайси. Да. Добре, браво. And cut. The lesson is too long for one video, so once again we're cutting here and we'll continue with the rest next time.
So yeah, like do leave a comment and all the usual YouTube stuff.
Say what you like eating. Какво обичате?
Yeah, sure, actually. That's a nice variation. So
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for following us. Thank you for liking and watching our videos. See you soon for the second part of this lesson. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ciao.